Okay.
It may be added a half a decibel. You know, nothing crazy.
Yes, sir. All right, yeah, I'd love to hear it.
Yes, sir.
Use discount code JacobViral to save when you shop at SkyHigh Car Audio, Xplicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Oh, wow. Are these 10s?
Eights.
Eights, okay, wow. I like you painted it to kind of match it. Is that just a color combo with the red top too? Okay.
Yeah, that's my problem is that AGM, but
Nothing wrong with that.
yep. Had some Barbies on it and taking them down.
So you added this to help or not move the box?
Pretty much stop flexing up here, not move the box, keep the box from flexing as well, along with the bracing inside the box.
Okay.
It may be added a half a decibel. You know, nothing crazy.
Yes, sir. All right, yeah, I'd love to hear it.
Yes, sir.
So this is a 4500
Yes, sir.
at what, 0.6?
0.6.
0.6.
Yes, sir.
EVL 12s?
EVL
15s.
at D4.
Okay. All right.
Likes to be seen a little bit better than anything.
Okay, sure. What, do you have an alternator or a stop?
320 amp alt.
Okay.
And about 200 amp hours of AGM.
All right. What was that box tuned to then?
It used to be tuned to 19 hertz.
Really? Wow.
Not anymore since I added that other port.
Yeah.
I used to be able to play down to 15 hertz at about 145 decibels.
Man.
So it was quite windy.
Yeah.
But to increase my score just a little bit,
You had to open it up, put another port in. All right.
What's going on, everyone? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the walk around. We just got a Reece's system. He did a really good job. This was at the Savannah, Georgia Seaport show in 2021. Finally getting to upload it. Hope you enjoyed watching it so far. So if you haven't already, check out the previous video I posted with his upgraded system. So he actually has already got his other video posted that was later in the year. I put that link in the description if you want to watch it, where he had 4 subwoofers instead of 3 in a wall. And give him a like. He did a really good job. Looking forward to showing you how it sounds. Definitely tearing up his Durango for a no-walled system, triple subwoofer build. Go ahead and comment if you haven't already. Let him know some positive things you like about his system. I really like, as I was talking about earlier, with the bracings he put on his roof, helped kind of not make the box move as much, and you'd be surprised how much your box moves. Even if you think you built it right, it still flexes a little bit, even with all the internal bracing. So if you can do that, definitely helps. Also, he has his amplifier running really efficient at 0.7 ohm. Probably a lot recommended for somebody that doesn't have an upgraded electrical system, but for the SK series SCAR subwoofer amplifiers, they definitely do the rated power down to a half ohm is usually the minimum recommended for Korean amplifiers. But we're going to go ahead and get to the bass demo now. Shout out to everybody watching my daily cardio videos. Stay tuned for more by subscribing, and we're going to get to the bass demo now. Really nice job from Reece with the demo.
Bringing me out the dark.
lot higher note with that third port, I bet.
It's like I said, 37, 38
Yeah.
hertz. It's definitely improved a lot on that, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
No problem. I'm Reece, by the way.
Reece. All right, Reece. Jacob.
Alrighty.
Woo.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at SkyHigh Cardio, Xplicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.